I always knew since a very young age that I wanted to do medicine. I've had many orthopedic injuries in my childhood and had a lot of experience with orthopedic surgeons growing up. Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Schinsky. I'm the Director of Complex Hip and Knee Replacements here at the American Hip Institute, and I love being an orthopedic surgeon. Orthopedic surgery allows me to take care of patients, which is why I love coming to work every day. I love the research aspect of it as well as the teaching aspect that I get to do here at the American Hip Institute. The best part is being able to give people their lives back. It brings me great joy every day to see the outcomes of patients have after treatment here with us. They're able to do those things in life they'd like to do again in very little or no pain. They come back to me and show me pictures of their vacations or them playing with their grandkids, and this is why I come to work every day. I feel the care patients get at the American Hip Institute is different and extraordinary. We have our proven process, which starts with a comprehensive evaluation. This will lead us to your correct diagnosis, and then once we have decided on a plan of care, we have personalized concierges to walk you through every step of the process. You don't have to live in pain. Come to the American Hip Institute for a comprehensive evaluation, and we'll help you get your life back.